Everyone, how are you? Today we are going to take something new. It's lesson 11.1, page 417. It's angles and the fractional parts of a circle. From this lesson, I want you to know some things. The first things is going to be to know what is the clockwise and what is the counterclockwise. It's directions for angles. To measure the angles. So if you look here, I have if that way, if the arrows like this started from here and ends like this is going to be clockwise. The clockwise is direction from the way the hands move on a clock. So if you put your hand on the clock and move like the clock moves, is going to be clockwise. And the another direction is a counterclockwise. The counterclockwise is direction opposite from the way the hands move on. Let's take some examples to know how we are going to solve these questions below. If you look here, you make connections. You can relate fractions and angles on the hands of a clock. Let the hands of a clock represent trace of an angle. Each 5 minutes mark represents 1/12. So if I move 5 minutes, I will represent it as 1/12. So 5 minutes will give me 1/12. Okay, so and he wants from me to move on clockwise like this. Clockwise like this. Let's go to the first one. The first one is 15 minutes elapse. What's the meaning of 15 minutes? I will go until I reach this. Okay, each 5 minutes represent for me 1/12. So 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12, that will give me 3/12. If I will do the simplest form for 3/12, that will give me 1/4, which is what? Quarter turn clockwise. So it's going to be 1/4 turn clockwise. Let's take the second one. The second one is 30 minutes elapse. Look here, teacher, it's going to be what's a half? A half. So if I move and count it all of 1/12 together, that will give me 6/12. If I divide it over 6/6 to do the simplest form for it, that will give me a half turn clockwise. So it's a half. It's a half. Let's go to find the third one. The third one, look, he wants the clockwise. Teacher, it's clockwise. What I'm going to do, move like this. What is represent? Each 5 minutes present 1/12. Add it all of together, that will give me 9/12. Divided over 3/3 to do the simplest form, that will give me 3/4. Turn clockwise. So 3/4 turn clockwise. And the final one, 60 minutes elapse. He moved one circle. He moved full circle. What is the meaning of 60? I will count 1/12 or 12 time. So it's going to be 12/12 equal 1 full turn clockwise. That is our lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed my lesson today. Tomorrow we are going to solve share and show page 419 together. See you soon and stay safe.